Welcome to the second part of the Tips and Tricks series. Today I'll show you the second part of this series of computer tips and tricks. In this video, I will show you 7 tricks of the computer. The best part is that even my colleagues don't know about them. Watch till the end and tell me if you know a few of them already or all of them. Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from us. Let's begin. Trick number 1, switching between apps. I know many of you know how to switch between apps, but only if you know multiple ways of switching between apps. When you press the Control key plus Alt key plus Tab key, this will show you your current tabs which are open. Have you tried the Windows key plus Tab key combination? When you press the Windows key plus Tab, you will see all the virtual desktops as well as all the tasks which is opened by you. And the last combination is the Alt key plus Tab key combination. You can actually switch between one task to another task from this combination. Trick number 2, troubleshooting. Everyone fed up when our computer got stuck sometimes. We can't do anything, but when the computer won't work, all we have to do is restart option. But wait, you can actually do one thing. You will have to go to Task Manager and end the process of working task. That's it. There are a few ways to go to a Task Manager. Press the Control key and Shift key together and press the Escape key. The Task Manager will open and now you can close the task which creates trouble. The other way is, press a Control key, Alt key, Delete key together, the new window will open, from the options select Task Manager, and you are done. End the process of the task. There is one more option to go to Task Manager, and the option is, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom where you can find the Task Manager option, just click on Task Manager to go to Task Manager. Trick number 3, open File Explorer. Everyone wants to save time, whatever if you are saving 2 or 3 seconds. Also, no one wants to use the mouse every time, isn't it? Everyone wants to be a pro computer expert. What you will have to do is just press the Windows key plus E from the keyboard, and you are done. Simple? Did you know this before? Drop your answer in the comment section. Trick number 4, Magnifier. Did you know you can zoom in or zoom out on your computer? Not only in images, but you can do this within the entire computer. You can zoom in and zoom out of any text file, any MS Office file, web browser, etc. How to do it? Just press the Windows key with the plus and minus key which is located on the right side of the keyboard just above the number keys. Trick number 5, screenshots. In my childhood, when I want to take a screenshot of my game or work, I used to do was press the print screen button down, open Paint and save it on my computer. But now I realize there are few other ways to do this. You can press the Window key plus the print screen button to capture the entire screen. The image will save in a picture library. You can use the Alt key plus print screen key combination, then open the Paint and paste it down, save it on computer. If you want to take a screenshot of a particular area or particular text, there is a tool called Snipping Tools. Open the Snipping tool, click on New, and select the area which you want to capture. After capture that area, save it on the computer. There is one more option. Press the Windows key plus G from the keyboard, click the camera button to take a screenshot. Once you open the game bar, you can also do this via Windows plus Alt plus print screen. You'll see a notification that describes where the screenshot is saved. Trick number 11, access the setting. Fed up to find the setting option on the computer? Want to go into the setting faster? Do you want to know the quickest way to go to the setting? Here is the answer. Just press the Windows key plus I from the keyboard. You will land into the setting. Trick number 6, game bar. The game bar is designed not only for gamers but for those who just feel relaxed when they play a game after coming from the office or work. Well, actually, you have everything you need right in the game bar feature on your PC. You can bring it up at any time by pressing the Windows key plus G to set up recording manually, but that's not all. Game bar itself has a hotkey for starting and stopping recording. Just press Windows plus Alt plus R. You can even start streaming by pushing the Windows key plus Alt plus B. Trick number 7, lock down your computer. Suppose your family used one computer, which is common for all. Everyone has access to that computer. Now you want to buy a present for your mom or dad. You selected some present to save it on your computer so that you will buy any one of them. But now when you go out for something, your mom or dad will clearly see what you are doing on the computer. The fun of surprise will over. In that situation, press the Windows key plus L from the keyboard. It will lock your computer. Make sure to set a password first, so that when someone tries to open it will land them to enter your password screen. So that is for today. Hope you liked the video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Hey, which hotkeys make your time on the computer smoother and faster? Let everybody know down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.